Back with another Savage stream. Thanks everybody for tuning in and checking out the channel and checking out my videos and liking and sharing and commenting and all that cool stuff. I'm trying to catch up on the comments. The comments are coming in pretty heavy for my small channel, so I'm trying to get caught up with that. If I haven't responded to you, just hold tight because I'll be there at some point. I will get to your comment. Normally, this is like Crypto Fireball Friday or Screwball Friday, and I don't know, it's normally like a super chill stream, and that's what this is going to be. Hopefully Crypto Mikkel's in here because I'm going to walk through what I wanted to cover is the process of using the Conceal Network bridge, right? So they have this bridge that they set up between Conceal Network and wCCX on both Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum, so you can swap with either. But of course, right now on Ethereum, it's just crazy with the fees and stuff. So if you do some swaps on Binance Smart Chain, it's a lot less expensive. And I think that showing the process is kind of cool and letting everybody know what it's all about, because basically whenever you do the swap, one wCCX equals one CCX. So it's just a representation of one CCX on the chain, on Binance Smart Chain or on Ethereum. And it's the wrap CCX, which is really cool because those prices don't match. So there's some opportunities there potentially. And me and Crypto Mikkel and I have been talking about it and doing some tests and stuff, but I haven't personally done it. He's done it a few times, so he's in here, so hopefully he'll help me walk through this process. But I wanted to show the whole process of swapping using the bridge. So that's what we're going to do tonight. Hopefully everybody's doing well, and let's get into it. All right, let's see what we've got going on. So if you go to conceal.network, and then let me just start at their main page here. And if you go over to bridge right here, then it'll come up with, now the Binance Smart Chain is relatively new. I think that came out like last month or something. They've had the Ethereum wCCX for quite some time. I've done some videos on that, so check out those videos on my channel if you're interested in that kind of stuff. I think I'm pretty sure I walked through the whole process back then going to Ethereum. But in our case tonight, we're going to use Binance Smart Chain because of the fees and everything, to just use that, because the fees are just insane on Ethereum. Although the last I checked, they were coming down a little bit. Yeah, it went from 143 to 99 right now. So it looks like they're coming down, a little bit and somewhat reasonable. But anyway, we're still going to use Binance Smart Chain. So basically, in order to do this, you have to have some Conceal, right? You have to have some number of Conceal. And in our case, we're using the YouTube wallet here that we're mining to currently on the Kajimi rig right here. This guy right here is mining CCX to that particular wallet, this wallet right here. We can probably verify that with transactions. Yeah, you see they're coming in here. So pretty recent transactions. So this is the wallet that we're mining to. And we are going to use this wallet. We're going to send maybe 50 CCX. We're going to try this with 50 and walk through the process of using the bridge. All right. So we would go over here to the bridge. I already showed you that, how to get there. Click continue here, I would assume, once you choose Binance Smart Chain, because by default, I believe it is, yeah, by default, it's going to go to Ethereum. So you want to change that to Binance Smart Chain. I mean, there's a lot more to this because I know that I'm going to get to that part where you have to connect your MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. I want to say that Crypto Mikkel has a video on that, how to do that. I don't remember that was a while back that I did that, so I'm not going to be able to show you that, how to actually do that. I wish I had a test MetaMask wallet, but I don't. So you're going to actually see my MetaMask wallet, which is not great. But let's try this out here. So we're going to go conceal bridge. I might have to like hide some stuff here. We'll see. We're going to go 50 from address. I wonder if that's, where did it get that address from? I wonder. Okay, so that's just an example, I guess. So we're going to say, well, this address right here. So we're going to send it from there to address. All right, so let me cover this up a little bit here. I don't even think let me see if I can totally, I just want to make sure I don't expose anything here. Okay, so I already had it on BNB. So the address that I'm sending it to actually doesn't matter because MetaMask only has the one, basically the one address, unless you have multiple accounts. All right, so I'm copying my MetaMask address. Correct me if I'm wrong here, Crypto Mikhail. So let me turn that off. All right, so I'm gonna paste. I guess that's probably the same. That's probably the right address. Yeah, it was. That was the same address. Okay, so maybe it stored it from before, I guess. And this is just if you want to have a confirmation receipt. I'm not gonna put that in there right now. I think we'll be okay here. Okay, so then we click continue. Ooh, internal JSON RPC error. Okay, haven't seen that. What's that first thing say? Okay, so it's checking. This might be Brave. So let me actually switch over to Chrome here. Give me just a second. Yeah, I hadn't done this before, so this is like literally live here. So let's see if Chrome works the same way. See if it does the same thing. Because this might be like a security setting, potentially. You know what I did notice? That it put a capital D in there. Or was it capital B? Yeah. It's almost like that was different, but maybe not. Wow, why was I on that? That's weird. All right, so I don't have. All right, maybe that's. Help me out, Crypto Mikhail. Maybe that's the problem here. Do that. ESC. All right. I was on that. All right. Oh, that's right. Oh my gosh. I need. Crypto Michaela needs to send me some BNB, I guess. All right, yeah, my bad. I'm just kidding there. All right. Yeah, I didn't plan this out very well. I need some BNB. I don't have any of that. So I would have, yeah, dang. See, he and I were working on this and he was doing it on his end. So he had all that stuff set up. So I'm going to have to acquire some BNB before we can move forward. Yeah, that's funny. Yeah, because if I was to do it on Ethereum, I mean, I could switch over to Ethereum, I guess. I think I have enough for that. But man, those gas... Actually, we'll be able to see what the gas fees are. So let's do that. This should be interesting. I'm not going to do it, though, because good grief, man. That would be rough. That would be really rough. But we can at least see what it would cost. I would imagine that we can do this. Have to be on that network. Let's see here. You know I'm not a BNB guy. Hang on a second. Trying to get you an address. Trying to get you an address. You want BNB BEP2? Is that what you need, Mikkel? Starts with BNB. I would assume that's what you need. Or MetaMask, okay, you can do that too. Yeah, 34 bucks for, yeah, wow. Let's not do that. I set the MetaMask wallet address as well there. Crypto Mikkel. Okay, so I guess he sent some. I don't believe I had any before. All right, let's try this again. Okay. Yeah, I mean, that's like it's super cheap compared to Ethereum. Good grief. Not even close. Yeah. Oh man, that's crazy. All right. So once it comes up, and you have to include both of these things whenever you send from your wallet. So don't forget the payment ID, because you'll probably lose the funds if you don't send it to that payment ID. So you have to do this twice. You have to copy the address. So it tells you right here, like, okay, it's waiting. Now you've set up this transaction, this potential transaction, and you have to actually complete it by sending CCX to that address, and then with that payment ID. So it tells you right here, and you want to use whole amounts. So 50, you want to send 50, period, to that address. All right, so I'm going to copy that address, come over here, send funds, paste in the address, payment ID, copy that. And you want to kind of verify this stuff too. I'm just kind of eyeballing it, making sure it's good. Looks pretty good to me. The amount was 50. So you got the address and the payment ID in there. Thanks, Emmanuel. Thanks so much for the super chat, sir. Awesome. Okay, so then we're gonna go send. I think we're good here. And some of this time, I mean, this is live, guys, so some of this stuff does take time, right? I think that this takes about 4 minutes or 6 minutes, something like that, before things start moving. But essentially what we should see is wCCX show up over here. So we basically have created wCCX from CCX on the Binance Smart Chain. Hey, what's up, Taines? Fire Marshal Bill, what is going on? Thanks for helping me out there, Crypto Mikhail. You're gonna slowly drag me into DeFi on Binance Smart Chain. I can see that already. Kicking and screaming over here. What's up, Unknown Crypto and Taines? If I didn't say hey already. Zero Moss, what is going on? And I got my Crypto Mikhail, I got my daily dose, daily disappointment dose from Newegg already. Got the email that I didn't win. You were not selected. Always great. Every day for months on end now. Oh my gosh. So we're just waiting here, right, Crypto Mikhail? And I got this, I don't know if I did it, I think I played it, I did it playing racquetball. I think I pinched a nerve or something in my shoulder. It's been really bothering me. Pretty painful. Need a massage. Something. Hurts. What's up, Mr. Andrew? We are waiting on this to confirm. It says right here, do not close the page. This can take some time. So we're doing a swap from CCX to wCCX on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, there we go. So payment received. Got a receipt. They should have fixed all this stuff. Yeah, see, so that worked. And then this should work as well. Maybe, yep. So you can see the transactions over there. So that's cool. And then if we go to our MetaMask, maybe we'll see it. Not yet. There we go. So it just showed up, 50 CCX right there. So that's cool. Then, because those prices don't always match, you could take this and go to from here. What is it, Crypto Mikkel? You go from there to swap space, and you go from, well, you can't go from wCCX here, right? Yeah, there must be another hop in here. But you have to get it. Crypto Mikkel can tell me. But we have to get it to first. But yeah, like you can, do this process and actually gain the number of CCX that you have. I'm not going to give away any secrets or anything, but Crypto Mikkel and I have been looking at this pretty hard last couple of days. So basically what we did, we took 50 CCX because we had 81 here. We took 50 CCX. We used the bridge on bridge.conceal.network. And then we went from Conceal to Binance Smart Chain. And if you don't have Binance Smart Chain in your MetaMask, I think that Crypto Mikkel has a video on that, on setting that up. I think that's how I got it in here. I don't know. It's been a while since I did it. But then we swapped to that because the fees are much lower to create that wCCX. And then from there, we could go from wCCX to, yeah, I guess you would, I don't know. Crypto Mikkel will have to tell us. I forgot the rest of the process here, but I mean, what I wanted to show was going from CCX to Binance Smart Chain in a wrapped CCX, which is what we did. So that is cool. I did my part. I did what I wanted to. The rest of it is up to you. I think, if I'm not mistaken, I believe that oh, that's right. So you go to the bridge and then you sell the wCCX for BNB. You'd have to do that on an exchange, right? And then you go to swap space and go BNB for the BTC. And then you go over to Trade Ogre and buy CCX with the BTC. So that's the whole process. Thanks, Crypto Mikkel. You guys are going live in a minute, right? I think so. I believe so. Yeah, 10 p.m. So 3 minutes. Yeah, Mr. Andrew, CCX is super cheap to send anywhere. And you can, once you're on those chains like BSC or Ethereum, you can use that wCCX for whatever, whatever kind of pairs and whatever kind of project support, the swaps and stuff. That's kind of like the way that you could utilize it. I wish that there were more ways, but that's pretty much it right now. Yeah, like CCX, like sending a CCX transaction on CCX mainnet is super cheap. I think it's like 0.0001 or something like that. Really super cheap. But yeah, let's go over to DCA Adventure. They're popping off here in a couple minutes. Post that link in the chat over there. Be sure you do the whole Savage Raid thing. I wish that they would implement a raid feature in live streams, from live stream to live stream like Twitch does. Maybe someday. Maybe not. Maybe someday. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, but hit those guys up over there. And I'm going to get out of here. Hopefully this was somewhat entertaining or educational in some way. I mean, basically all we did was we took CCX, turned it into wrap CCX on the Binance Smart Chain, so then you can do whatever you want to with it. Swap it for something else, swap it for BNB, and then trade it off and do the whole procedure like Crypto Mikel was talking about. So yeah, cool stuff. The really cool feature about it is if you can turn your profits basically on one of those chains, whether it's Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, and get it into wCCX over there, right? Because there's pools for that. I don't know how liquid they are, but there are pools for creating wCCX over there, and then you could just get that back into CCX, real CCX, and then all those private your profits are basically private at that point, right? You're back onto a privacy blockchain, which is really cool. So if you're worried about privacy and all that cool stuff, like I always am, it works and it's cool. So privacy, yeah, number one. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Be sure to Savage Raid, DCA Adventure. I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know when the next stream will be. I've been really sporadic about that, but I need to get back on. In the summer, I think I'm going to be okay. I'm going to be back to normal. It's just right now things are kind of crazy. All right, guys. If you thought that this was educational or entertaining in any way, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time, whenever that is. Stay savage, everybody.